Hi guys, I'm not at home at the moment. I'm on vacation in France. It's a beautiful place. And my XPENG G9 brought me here to the Dordogne in France. Beautiful weather. And I got a lot of questions about X combos. How do I make them? How can I change them? How can I share them? In this video, I want to show what kind of X combos you can make, share and modify. I hope you enjoy it.
So let me show you how you use and make X combos. You go to your app and you scroll down and there you see the X combo. I will show you first recommended, what you can do with it and how you can personalize your own X combos. You see quite a lot of recommended combos and you also can change them. And for instance, this is a very useful X combo. This is how you activate the sentry mode, the X guard, when you park your car. There are now also possibilities to activate this combo when you're not at home. I will show you later. And there are all kinds of things you can use and also you can adapt and change. So this is when you can set up the seat heating, and when you want to edit it, just click on edit. You see the condition when the passenger is entering. The seat heating is on level 1 and you click on it. You already see the options. You can just change it and put it to level 3 if you want to. You can also change the seat heating on the other rows and other seats. So this is just one part of it. You change it and you can click on done, and now you have changed one of your recommended, the standard X combos, to your own. Now I want to show you what you can do with your own X combos. You also, again on your app, you go to the X combo and instead of recommend that you go to my combos. And these are my personal combos. Some of them I made myself and others I borrowed from others and adjusted them. What's quite interesting is to put the X guard on, and because there are also new possibilities. And you can click on modify, and my condition is when I'm driving at least 10 kilometers an hour and I'm at least 300 kilometers away from my home, and I put the gear in the parking, in the P, then it runs a combo and it said sentry mode on. I think this is very practical because the location can be one of the conditions for your combo. Click on next. When you have changed it, for instance, you can change it, and then you click on done and it's ready to go. And of course you also want to make your own X combo. You go to the app, scroll down, click on X combo, and at the top in the corner you see a plus. You click on it and you see you can add a condition. There are two possibilities: trigger from inside the car remotely. I first start with trigger remotely, and I want to make a X combo for a time, and I put the time on 8 o'clock because I really want that the temperature of my car is 21 degrees in the morning when I going to my work, and I only want it on these 4 days, and I say done, and I can add an action. And you see there are also a lot of possibilities. I will keep it simple and click on the temperature, and I want the temperature set on 21 degrees. But I only want when the temperature interior is at below 17 degrees, and then it will start. I can add more actions if I want to. You see that there are a lot of possibilities. You can turn on the seat heating, the fan, whatever you want. But I keep it this way simple. Click on next. You see you can do the smart query or do not, and I just click on not and set it on done, and it's saved. So you can use it automatically to turn on the temperature in your car.
Just one thing I want to talk to you about. Did you know that there's a big community on Discord? Over 6,000 members from all over the world. And they're sharing a lot of knowledge, and you always can ask them questions. Also about the X combos. So join us on Discord, join the XPENG community.
So now again, I make another combo. Go to the app, scroll down, the X combo. At the top you see a plus. You click on the plus and you add a condition, and this time I want to trigger it from inside the car. Again, you see a lot of conditions you can choose from, and I use quite a lot the seat belt, because actually that's always what you do when you step in the car. And I fasten the seat belt as a condition to start the combo. And I will add a nice condition, because everybody hates the beep when you're driving a little bit too fast. Add the actions, you see quite a lot again, and I choose for driving. And you see what you can turn off. At this time I will only select the intelligent speed limit alarm, and I want to disable it. I don't want to hear a beep or whatever when I'm driving 1 kilometer an hour too fast. And of course you can add a lot of other actions to it when you want to. You can just add almost everything you want. But I'll leave it this way, just want the beeps off when I'm driving a little bit too fast. I click on next and on done. And now you have, it already sees that I have this one. So this was just to show you how you make it.
So this is all for now. In the next video I will show you how you can copy and share combos from other people and with other people. And I hope you like it. Just subscribe to the channel and share it if you want to other people. Okay, see you next time.